Hey folks, Ray Hollister here for Deemable Tech. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how to update your iPhone or your iPad to the latest version of iOS 8.1.3. So you may have noticed on your iPhone or iPad that there was an update sent out recently. You'll see a little notification on your settings icon, and I just wanted to show you how to get that new update. Open the iPhone, unlock it, and you'll notice here on the settings icon there's a number 1 indicating that you have an update available. So we're going to tap Settings. And then you'll see down at General there's a number 1 indicating that that's where your update is. Tap on General, and then see there it is again on Software Update. Tap on Software Update, and there you'll see the update available. Now, to learn more, you can just click on the Learn More link and you'll see what is available in this settings update. Go back and click Install Now. You'll have to enter your passcode because you can't update without a passcode if you have your passcode set on your iPhone. And then you'll read over the terms and conditions, hit agree, or just tap agree. You don't have to hit it. Tap agree again. Now it's going to verify the update if it's already downloaded. That'll take a short while, depending on your connection. That'd be a good time to go get a cup of coffee, popcorn, whatever. Tea, maybe you're into tea. I don't know. You know, you could find something else to do while you're waiting. Usually it doesn't take very long to verify the update, but it is now. Oh, here we go. So after it gets done verifying, it's going to reboot, and you're going to get this screen. I couldn't show you the screenshot because it obviously disconnected from my Mac. But you'll notice there's a tiny little bar there, right there. See it? Barely moving. So after it gets done verifying the update, then it will start running the update, and it will move that bar slowly but surely until it finishes. At that point, you're done. That's all you have to do. Your update has been finished.